Alright guys, so this is what I'm going to show you today. If you ever get a socket that won't come off, right? Check it out. Alright, this socket right here is stuck. It won't come off. I gotta stick something in there to press it in to get it off, right? I have to use a little screwdriver to press that to get it out. Now, this has happened to me before. Now what happens is that thing gets a little rusty or corroded or whatever. And all you do is you put a little grease or WD-40 on there, whatever you got. So I got some grease, I got white lithium, got WD-40. So I'm gonna actually use some white lithium grease. But anything will work. WD-40 I've used. I don't know, today I feel like using some white lithium grease. Put it right there. And you know, make sure it gets in there. You rub it in, push it down. Make sure it gets all the way in there. Okay. Try to wipe it off a little bit. Make sure you don't want to have sockets, nuts getting stuck in the socket. All right, let's test it out. Really know if it works if I can do it with one hand. On, off. There you go, one-handed action. On, off. That's how you do it.